Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact PayPal support. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, obviously you need to be logged in into your account, and once you've done that, all you need to do is just click on this help icon up here or down here as well. You can also use contact us, but it's going to be very generic. If you have specific problems that you want to fix, help is going to be very helpful, because as you can see, you can also write your normal questions that are going to be common questions that people have been asking, and you will just get an support right over here. But the best way to go ahead and do so is, as you can see, there are specific things. So there are going to be resolution centers who are going to be fixing your transaction and account related issues. There's also tax center. They're going to simply go ahead and help you fix the tax info. Technical help, obviously it is pretty self-explanatory. And there's also message center, where you can simply send, receive, and view your PayPal messages and stuff like that. So for example, let's say I go to resolution center. This is where I can simply go ahead and fix all the problems regarding to my disputes. There's also going to be a message tab, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the transaction right over here. I don't have any, so it's not showing any, but when you go ahead and do so, you can simply go ahead and explain the message to them, and then they'll get in contact with you through email. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.